Hi students, we learned numbers in previous class. Let us review numbers 1 to 999. So here look at this number 140, 142, 235, 326. So you know children, these numbers are based on ones, tens, hundred places. These numbers are based on groups of ones, tens and hundreds. So let us revise the relationship between ones, tens and hundreds places. So children, you know very well. Here count with me. This is 1. Here count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 after comes 10. This is 10. So this group of all are group of 10 ones, 10 1 each one. So group of 10 ones is called 110. Group of 10 ones is called 110. So group of like this, group of 10 tens, group of 10 tens is called here. Let us show you 110, 210, 310, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens and 10 tens. This 10 tens, group of 10 tens is 100. Group of 10 tens is 100. Now I think you have understood. So children, now look at here 142. So 2 is in ones place. 4 is in tens place. 1 in hundred place. Let us see another example. 235. 5 is ones place. 3 is in tens place. 2 is in hundred place. Let us see another example. 326. 6 in ones place. 2 in tens place. And this 3 in hundred place. I will show you children here. Look at here. So these are 2 ones. These are 2 ones. I am writing here 2 ones. And then after here take 2 ones. Then after comes take 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 4 tens. 2 ones and here 4 tens. Here 4 tens. And these are hundreds. Here, how many hundreds are there? Only 100. So 100. Here these are 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, and these are 2 ones. So look at here. This is 140 and 2. This is 100. Here 110, 110, and this is 210, and this is 310, and this is 410, and here 2 ones are there. 1 and 2 ones are there. So here it becomes 142. So I have done one for you. So you do it remaining. Here I will show you children. So you do it at home in your textbook. children. Now, you know, you have learned 1 to 999 in your previous class. Now, let us go to exercise. Write the numbers in their standard form. Write the numbers in their standard form. Here, look at this question, children. 400 plus 10 plus 3. 400 plus 10 plus 3. So, by using places, we have to write the number in standard form. So, you know very well places. Ones place, then after comes tens place, then after comes hundreds place. So, you know here very well 3 ones place. Let us go to next number. This is 10. So 0 is in ones place, 1 in tens place. Let us go to next number 400. 0 is in ones place, another 0 it is in tens place, 4 is in 100 place. So here 400, 10 and 3, these are adding together. So 400 plus 10 plus 3 in ones place, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3. Again in the another one in ones place 0 is there. So here we got it 3 plus 0, 3. Another again in ones place 0 is there, now we have to add it. So 3 plus 0 we will get 0. So in ones place we got 3. Write 3. Next, tens place. Look at here, children. Do we have here any number, any digit in tens place? No. So go to directly next number. Here it is 10. So in 10 we have one digit in tens place. So what is the digit? It is 1. So one is adding to here 0. 0 is in tens place. So this one is adding to 0. So 1 plus 0. How much? Yes. 1 is the answer. So write. Next, do we have here any 100, any digit in 100 place? No. Here? No. So directly here, 1 digit is in 100 place. It is 4. Write directly. It becomes 430. So I have done for you. Your remaining in the textbook is given. Remaining in the textbook is given, which is given in expandation form, which is given in expandation form. You have to write in standard form. Let us see this number 606 is given. 606. You know very well, children. Here write ones, tens and hundreds. 606 as given. So in ones place is 6. Tens place is not given. So write 0. In 100 place we have 6. So write 6. It becomes 606. So children, remaining problems you do it in your textbook. Now, children, let us go to exercise. Write the numbers in their standard form. Write the numbers in their standard form. Here, the question is 400 plus 10 plus 3. So 3 is in ones place, 0 in ones place, 1 in tens place. 0 is ones place, 0 another 0. That 0 is in tens place and 4 is in 100 place. So we have to write in standard form. So children, what we have to do? We have to add all ones places. What are the digits are there in ones place? We have to add it. So 3 is in ones place. Here 0 is in ones place. Here in this 400, 0 is in ones place. We have to add that out. 3 plus 0 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. So here write ones, tens, 100 places. So in ones place, what we got, children? Yes, 3 is the answer. Now let us go to tens place. Here we don't have any digit here in tens place. So we directly go to next number. Here in tens place 1 is there. So 1 is in tens place. Here 0 is in tens place. So we have to add 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 is 1. Now let us go to 100 place. Here we don't have tens place, so directly go to next number. Here we don't have 100 place. 0 and 0 in ones place, 1 in tens place. Here we don't have any 100 place, any digit in the 100 place. So directly go to next number. 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 4 in 100 place. So directly we write 4. So the number obtained is 413. This is the standard form of 400 plus 10 plus 3. Next one, you do it in your textbook. I will go to next one. 606. 606. So children, before write the answer, place the ones, tens and hundreds. So in ones place we have 6. Here how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds are there. How many ones are there? 6 ones are there. Tens. So 6. I'll tell you about this later. So now look at here. How many ones are there? 6 ones are there. Tens. There is nothing in tens place. So what we have to write? 0 we have to write. Next, how many hundreds are there? Here 6 hundreds are there. So write 6. It is 606. This is the standard form. So remaining children, another 3 are there. Here you look at here. Just now I said 400 plus 10 plus 3, 413. So this one 606. So I have told you this. I have taught you this. Remaining you have to complete in your textbook. Children, let us go to exercise. Write the numbers in their standard form. Write the numbers in their standard form. So your first question. 400 plus 10 plus 3. 400 plus 10 plus 3. So children, look at the numbers. Here we have to divide in places. This is 3 in ones place. Let us go to next number. 10, 0. Here the 0 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. 0 is now in this 400. Here in this 400, 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place and 4 in 100 place. Now we have to write in standard form. Children, so all ones places we have to add first. All ones places. 3, here 3 is in ones place. Here in this number 0 is in ones place and in this number 0 is in ones place. So 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3 is the answer. Before writing the answer, we will write places ones, tens and hundreds. So what we got answer? Here 3 plus 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 3 is answer. So write this 3 in ones place. Next, going to tens place. Here let us observe this number. we have only ones place in this number. Let us go to next number. Here we have ones and tens place. So here we have tens place. The digit is 1 is in tens place and here 0 is in tens place. So we add together 0 plus 1. What is the answer? 0 plus 1 is 1. So this 1 should write in tens place. Next, go to 100 place. Look at here, children. We don't have here tens and 100 place. So go to next number. Here we have ones and tens places, but we don't have hundreds. So go to next. Ones, tens and hundreds. So directly write 4 in 100 place. So the standard form of 400 plus 10 plus 3 is 413. Next one, you do it in your textbook. Let us go to next one. 606. 606. So before writing the answer, you should write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So 6 in ones place. So write the 6 in ones place. Next, tens. Do we have any value of tens place? No. So write, what should we write? So we have to write 0. Next, go to 100 place. Here how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds are given. So write 6 in 100 place. So the standard form of 606 is 606. So remaining some questions are there. You have to complete these questions in your textbook. You have to write all answers in your textbook. Children, let us go to second bit. Here, write the place value of the digit 4 in each of these numbers. Write the place value of the digit 4 in each of these numbers. So we have to write place value of 4 in every number. So here the number is given 342. The given number is 342. We have to write the place value of 4. So 4 is in, let us see, 2 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 3 in 100 place. So 4 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 4? So 4 place value is 40. Next, here 804. 4 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 8 in 100 place. So we need 4 place value. So 4 in ones place. So the answer is 4. Here another number. Let us take another question. 489. Here 9 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 4 in 100 place. So what is the place value of 4 here? 4 in 100 place. So the answer is 400. Here 4 is in 100 place. So the answer is 400. Let us go to next bit. Write these numbers in expanded form. Write these numbers in expanded form. Here the given number is 201. The given number is 201. So 1 in ones place, 0 in tens place and 2 in 100 place. So we have to write in expanded form. 2 in 100 place. So 200 plus 0 in tens place. The value of tens place, 0 in tens place is 0. The place value of 1 is 1. So here the answer is 200 plus 0 plus 1. Let us go to next question. 430. Here 0 in ones place, 3 in tens place, 4 in 100 place. So what is the place value of 4 here? Yes, answer is 400. Then what is the place value of 3 here? it is 30. Then what is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is 0. So answer is 400 plus 30 plus 0. This is the expanded form.